Hi everyone, this is Sanil Prabhakar here. I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing for Networks International Corp. We've been in the business for 40 plus years. We are manufacturers of RF and microwave filters and integrated assemblies. We manufacture LCs, LC filters, cavity filters, ceramic filters, plus integrated assemblies such as switch filter banks, Filter-LNAs. We have like more than 100 years of design experience. Pretty much a custom engineering house that designs and manufactures parts that revolve around filters. We serve the military and the space market. Major applications include guidance and navigation, as well as radar and airborne applications. We do in-house environmental testing for our parts, such as thermal shock, vibration, mechanical shock. And we are an AS9100 decertified, as well as ISO 9001 for aerospace applications. There are a couple of products that we've recently introduced. Our forte is a lot of surface mount SMT style packages, which can be hermetic as well as non-hermetic. Here is an example of a X-band cavity filter that we've recently manufactured for a missile application. It is built in a surface mount package which has pins on the bottom that can be reflowed onto your board, but it obviously gives you a cavity performance in a pretty compact package, and this can be scaled up all the way up to 30 gig or lower in frequency. Recently we've also introduced a product for quantum computing, where we've designed a terminated diplexer in the C-band region, which has a flat rejection which is within plus or minus 5 dB. The filter is designed and manufactured to operate at minus 273 degrees C at the Kelvin temperatures, and it's been tested by our customer and working at those particular temperatures. So we look forward to kind of receiving any opportunities that you might have for our filter requirements, and I hope to kind of help you out with those opportunities out there. Thank you.